Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the seafood pizza in Heartopia. First, you need to buy the recipe from NPC Massimo, and then after you have it, just go to your home and then tap on your stove, and then just tap on your seafood pizza recipe like this. In here, you need prepare the ingredients. There are cheese that you can buy it from the Massimo, and then tomato sauce that you can cook it by yourself, and then there are ways that you can grow from the gardening, and then there are fish that you can fish it on the sea like this. You can also change the fish with the fish that you want on here, and then when you're done, just tap on start cooking, and then just cook the pizza. And okay, like this. If this is your first time cooking it, you will see a special animations, but in here mine doesn't appear because I already cooked it. And okay, that's how you can cook the seafood pizza in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!